In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Jira and efficiently manage tasks with subtasks. Mastering this process in Jira can significantly enhance your productivity and help you keep your projects well organized. Let's dive in and explore this step by step. First off, you'll want to head over to Jira. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL to access Jira. Navigating to Jira is the first step on our journey toward mastering subtask management. This powerful tool is widely used for project management across various industries, so knowing your way around can be immensely beneficial. Once you're on Jira's homepage, you'll need to go to your projects. On the dashboard, there's typically a tab or a section where you can see all the projects that you're involved in. Click on this section, and you'll be greeted with a list of projects that you have access to. This area allows you to have a broad view of everything at your disposal, helping you select exactly what you intend to work on or oversee. Now locate the project with the task you intend to manage. In the specific project, look for a task that includes subtasks. Usually tasks that are broken down into subtasks are part of larger, more complex projects, serving as a means to distribute workload and focus on smaller, more manageable parts of a project. Click on the task that contains subtasks, and you'll be taken into a more detailed view of that task. In this detailed view, you'll notice a section that lists all the subtasks associated with the main task. This layout allows you to view all the subtasks in one glance, making it easier to assess what needs to be done and track the progress of each element. It's here that you can update the status of each subtask, assign new ones if needed, or simply gather an overview of the ongoing work. Finally, with your task management reviewed and any necessary adjustments made, you can conclude the process for this session. Understanding how to navigate to a specific task and manage its subtasks in Jira is crucial for maintaining an organized workflow. This skill assists in ensuring that no detail is overlooked and all parts of a project are addressed in a timely manner. And there you have it. Navigating and managing tasks with subtasks in Jira might seem simple, but mastering these steps can significantly boost your efficiency and effectiveness in handling projects. Just remember, the ability to break down larger tasks into smaller subtasks not only makes complex projects less daunting, but also aids in distributing the workload among team members, ensuring everyone is aligned and on the same page. Thank you for watching today's lesson on navigating Jira. I hope these instructions were helpful and that you will now be more confident in managing your tasks and subtasks with ease. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides and tips.